Good morning, students. I am Teacher Ron, and today we will learn about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns I, you, and we. Come on, let's learn. I love my teacher. You are my friend. We are friends. Before we start learning, let's watch this video.
I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns.
Subject pronouns.
Now, it's time for us to learn our personal pronouns. I, you, and we. Good morning, students. It's now time for us to learn our personal pronouns. Today, we will talk about 3 personal pronouns. The first is I, you, and we. We will learn when are we going to use I, you, and we. First is I. I. We use I when we are talking about ourselves. For example, I am a boy. I am PK. I love my teacher. I. Next is you. We use you when we are talking to our friend. For example, you are a boy. You are Bob. You are my friend. You. We use we when we are talking about ourselves. For example, we are playing. We go to school. And we are friends. Very good. I, you, and we. Let's try to answer this practice. Write I, you, or we to complete the sentence. Number 1, blank am Ellie. What do you think should we use? Blank am Ellie. Very good. I am Ellie. How about number 2? Blank are my friends. What? I can't hear you. Very good. You are my friend. How about the third one? Blank are friends. What? Very good. We are friends. How about number 4? Blank am happy. What? Louder. Very good. I am happy. The next one is blank are a boy. What's your answer? Very good. You are a boy. Next is blank are playing. Very good. We are playing. Now that we have learned the personal pronouns I, you, and we, it's time for our activity time. Let's answer our workbook, page 6. When you are done answering it, you are going to submit it to me online. I hope you learned something new today. See ya! Bye-bye!